Hello, myself Himani Sharma from RPIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the immunity, exploring the type and roles of the immunization. Introduction to immunity. In this presentation, we will explore the immunity, its various types, and the critical role of the immunization. Understanding these concepts is essential for promoting the public health and preventing disease. Let's dive into the fascinating the world of our body defense mechanism. What is the immunity? Immunity is the body ability to resist infection and disease. It involves the complex biological processes that identify and neutralize the harmful pathogens. Understanding how the immunity works is vital for effective health strategies and treatment. Types of immunity. These are the two main types of immunity, innate and the adaptive. Innate immunity is the first line of defense, while the adaptive immunity develop the over times and with the exposure to specific pathogens. Both are the crucial for overall health. Innate immunity is the body immediate response to pathogens. It includes the physical barriers like skin and mucous membrane, as well as immune cells that attack invaders. This type of immunity is non-specific and does not adapt to new threats. Next is the adaptive immunity. Adaptive immunity develops as the body encounters specific pathogens. It involves the production of antibodies and memory cells, allowing for a quicker and the more effective response upon re-exposure. This type is specific and improves over time. The role of the antibodies. Antibodies are the proteins produced by immune system to identify and neutralize foreign objects like bacteria and viruses. They play crucial role in the adaptive immune response, providing the long-lasting protections against specific pathogens. What is the immunization? Immunization is the process of stimulating the immune system to develop the protection against specific disease. It can be achieved through the vaccines, which introduce harmless component of pathogens, helping the body to recognize and fight them in the future. Types of vaccines. There are the several types of vaccines, including live attenuated, inactivated, and subunit vaccines. Each type works differently to stimulate the immune response, providing the protection against virus disease effectively. Benefit of the immunization. Immunization has the numerous benefits, including the prevention of disease, reduction of healthcare costs, and protection of the vulnerable populations. Vaccines play a vital role in achieving the herd immunity, which protect those who cannot be vaccinated. Challenges in the immunization. Despite its benefits, immunizations face the challenges such as the vaccine hesitancy, misinformation, and access issues. Addressing these challenges essential for increasing vaccination rates and ensuring public health safety. In the future of the immunizations look promising, and there are the promising with the advancement in vaccines technology and delivery methods. Ongoing research aim to develop more active vaccines for the various diseases, including emerging infectious disease. Conclusions. The conclusion, understanding the immunity and the role of the immunization is vital for public health. For by the promoting vaccination and addressing challenges, we can enhance the community immunity and protect the future generations from the preventable disease. Thank you for watching.